Hey, what is up everybody? I'm Original Dobo. Welcome back to Phones, Drones, and Tech. If you're new here or you've been around but you haven't yet subscribed, consider hitting that subscribe button just below so you don't miss any future videos. So YouTube implemented a new policy stating you no longer can have 10,000 channel lifetime views in order to receive monetization on your videos. This sent a lot of small creators, including myself, initially into a bit of a tizzy. We were upset because we were losing something that we thought we earned. Now, I've been creating for about 7 years and posting, and my channel's done okay. Hasn't lit anything up on fire. It's just been okay. There's a lot of new channels that just seem to come out of nowhere, and this has even happened to me where I will find a video, one of my successful videos, on some random channel with like 20,000 views, and I have to flag it down. These channels are able to monetize it because they've hit a very, very attainable goal. Now, the new goals are just as easily attainable. It's just going to require a little bit more work, and that's really what YouTube is all about, work. And they want to see that people are willing to put in the time and the commitment if you want to receive your monetization. Think of it like this: we are interviewing for a job that we haven't yet earned. There are thousands and thousands of creators out there. They're going to see who are actually serious about making viewable content that is, I guess for a lack of better words, suitable for their advertisers. It's really that simple. That's all we have to do. That's all they're asking us to do. Now, when you first start out, if you're not really like killing it with your audience, like just absolutely getting the views and slamming it, it doesn't matter. You're gonna make pennies. Pennies on the dollar. I mean, like 80 cents, 20 cents a video. It's stupid to even complain about this. There was months before I like really got serious about uploading. About 2 years ago, basically my channel was only making AdSense on a video that I didn't even know I monetized. So basically I wasn't even making money for the longest time. I didn't even know money existed. You just create it to be seen, you create it to have a conversation. If you're having fun with this, keep having fun with this. And just keep working hard and keep posting and stop worrying about the money. Whether you have that green symbol, yellow symbol, no symbol, just enjoy creating what you do, and somebody will eventually see your channel, and then there'll be more of those people that will like what you do and they will subscribe. Just a reminder, it is free to subscribe. If you like somebody's content, it doesn't cost a dime. It's not as strong today. I'm trying out this new Colombian blend, which actually really sucks really bad. I did get a new coffee machine in other news, but I will talk to you all this weekend. I have a new stabilizer coming today. Woo! I can't wait to try it out. And I have a speaker, a Bluetooth speaker, that I'm really excited about from New Vendon that's going to be arriving this week. And some new lights, I have tried everything to get these lights right. Like I've got this right here and I've got this right here. I don't really, I really don't like the color of the lights. I feel like they're a bit harsh. It's a little cool lighting, but we're gonna fix that this weekend. So, all right, I will see you guys later.